a prison to me. How I'd love to get out, just so I could be free. But someone is approaching here. I prefer to be alone in my dark pirate coat, but every now and again I drop out, and then I ask my mates if they want to escape, and they say they do, but not in the same way. Well, maybe I don't understand, but I will do the best I can to help them find a way to see a brighter day. Hey, maybe I take escape second thought. Anyways, away for me, cause all my dreams are all I've got. I just want to leave. I just want to be free. The dark has got a hold on me, so dark that I can barely see. I guess I'll wait it out to the end.